What's up you guys, my name is littlehooliagan and today I have an unboxing video. So this company called Accent Studio, located in LA, reached out to me about their Northern Lights projector. Now I don't know about you guys, but I've never seen the Northern Lights in person before. I have been to Alaska, but it wasn't during the time of the year that the Northern Lights would show. So I've always really wanted to see it, and just the possibility of having a projector that could show it in my room I think is really cool. So let's just check it out and see what it's like. So when you open their box, the first thing that you see is their instruction manual on how to use the product, and there's also a really cool feature with Bluetooth, so I'll definitely be showing you guys that later. And then another thing that comes in the box is a remote control to control your projector. And last but not least, they have a power cable that is a USB-C type of cable, which is really nice since a lot of products nowadays are using USB-C. So far, just looking at the lamp projector itself, I really like the design. I like the kind of geometric shape that it has to it. And it's also super small and portable. As you can see, it's literally the size of my hand. As far as batteries go for the remote control, it's important to note that they don't include the batteries. So make sure that you have AAA batteries on hand so that you can power up the remote control. So on the lamp projector, you'll see 4 different buttons. So the first one is the power button, the second one is the Northern Lights projector button, the third one is to control the stars, and the last one is to project the moon.
Bluetooth mode.
What we've all been waiting for is to see how this thing actually projects the Northern Lights on my wall. This is what it looks like on my wall in broad daylight. I will show you guys what it looks like when my room is a lot darker and it looks a lot clearer. But first, let me show you real quick the Bluetooth feature. Basically, you connect it via Bluetooth on your phone, and then whatever sounds that come out of your phone will be coming out of the projector now. So it's like, in a way, kind of like a speaker. And now here is how it projects on my wall when it's a lot darker. As you can see the Northern Lights change in color over time, and then you can see these stars come out every once in a while with the moon. I honestly really like this projector. I thought at first it might be a little bit of a tacky product, but the lights it produces is actually super pretty and aesthetically pleasing. And there's just so many other cool things that you can do with the projector that I thought of. Like, for one, it looks really cool on my plants right now. Since the projector is kind of like a half circle, the light is able to hit anything that's surrounding it. Something that I tested out, which I highly recommend for you to do, is to put the projector on its side and just see how it looks on the wall next to your bedside. Just look how pretty it is and how absolutely mesmerizing the colors are. It really makes me feel like I'm super close to the sky and the moon and the lights itself, and I don't know, it just feels really peaceful in my room. So personally, I would definitely recommend this projector to anyone I know. If you are interested in checking it out for yourself, I will leave their website and their Instagram page down below in my description. And that is about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!